you think women fear intimacy? No, we don't, but we fear everything around it. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and are also in good health and wealth. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sonali and today we're going to break down another topic that has to be talked about. If you are a guy watching this video, just know that by the end of this video, you're going to be 10 times smarter in understanding a woman and her body. And if you are a woman watching this video, just know that if you're feeling scared, painful, stressful and heavy about sex, it is because you're conditioned to feel that. And today we're going to deep dive into this topic to understand that. I'm also going to be sharing stories of some women, and ये stories देखने के बाद आप सोचोगे कि oh my god, ये तो मेरे साथ हो रहा है या फिर ये मेरी friend के साथ हो रहा है, and you will exactly understand why we women fear sex and how that fear goes away. So before starting the stories, let's just understand why women fear sex. मेरे हिसाब से women fear pain, judgment, emotional attachment, fear of being used, fear of feeling unsafe, losing control and then being blamed for everything afterwards. मेरे हिसाब से for some women, sex is more of a psychological thing than a physical thing. I feel the body opens up when the mind feels safe, not when a boyfriend says, babe, trust me, it's gonna be fine. So let's start with the first story. Ria is 23. She is goofy, she's chaotic, she's very charismatic, she's very confident, ठीक है? But the first time she got intimate with her boyfriend, she froze. She became a mannequin. She was not responding, she was not performing, she was not making a sound, she was just there lying. And उसके दिमाग में 24/7 यही चल रहा था कि am I looking good, am I looking ugly from this angle, am I looking too chubby, is my pigmentation marks or anything like that visible, am I doing too much, is he comparing me to someone else, should I get more aroused, should I do this, should I do that, is he going to judge me for this or what. And ये सब सोच के वजह से she couldn't perform. Now her boyfriend, instead of understanding, he was like, what, why are you not reciprocating, मैं ही सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ, you're not doing anything, and eventually they break up. For months her confidence was shattered because she was like, जब वो time आया, why I couldn't do it, until she met a guy who understood her, her body, her mindset. He always hyped her up, made her feel special, made her feel beautiful, made her feel safe, and when the time was right, she could get intimate. तो इससे अपने को क्या समझ में आता है कि यहाँ पे रिया को performance pressure था. It was the first time she was doing it, and I feel before doing it, a couple should always communicate about needs, about क्या expectations है, क्या insecurities है, because I think that makes sex 100 times better, But instead of that, people just directly jump into it, and ये सब चीजें हो जाती. She should have communicated with her boyfriend, but even her boyfriend should have understood that what, something is really wrong. She's not feeling it, or she's not being herself. Maybe I should just stop this for a while. This can happen later. Maybe I should just sit with her and ask her कि भाई क्या चल रहा है? What is happening? Do you not want to do it right now? तेरे दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है क्या? I think वो conversation होता ना, things would have been much better. So the next story is about Anjali. Anjali had a crush on this guy, and apparently even the guy had a crush on her. They reciprocate feelings and they start dating each other. Now what she feels is whenever they make out, this guy, he starts pushing her boundaries. She has to say no multiple times so that he can stop doing what he's doing. And suddenly she feels like, what, ये मेरी boundaries की respect नहीं कर रहा है. मुझे बार बार उसको बोलना पड़ता है कि मत कर, I'm not comfortable, I'm not ready yet, I want to take things slowly. और इसके भेजे में ये slowly वाला concept नहीं समझ रहा है. And he starts getting irritated. He's like, नहीं baby, फटफट हो जाएगा, once एक बार कर लेते, कुछ नहीं होगा, let's just do it. And suddenly उसको ऐसा feel होता है कि यार मैं तो safe ही नहीं feel कर रही हूँ, because मेरे को इसको इतना बार request करना पड़ता है, इसको consent समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And obviously after that she breaks up with him. थोड़े टाइम के लिए वो single रहती है, and then the next guy whom she meets, they communicate about it, and she clearly says, what, I would like to take things slow. I don't want to rush into things, and I would really appreciate if we are on the same page. And then when they make out, things बहुत slowly, gradually आगे बढ़ता है. No rush, no pressure कि नहीं अभी करना है, ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है. And that's when she feels more safe, more comfortable, and she opens up, And इससे मुझे एक चीज समझती कि women, they don't fear desire, or they don't fear having sex with someone whom they truly love, but they fear कि यार ये person मेरी बात ही नहीं सुन रहा. They fear not being heard enough. अब ये जो story मैं narrate करने वाली हूँ, it is sensitive, so if you are gonna get get triggered by listening to this story, I would suggest you to skip this story and move on to the next story. This story is about Meera, and this story is a classic example of how trauma can make you rewire your mind, your body, and your daily actions. Now, Meera, when she was with her first boyfriend, she believed that she was ready for sex, and when the time came, she realized that she is not ready. So she told her boyfriend that, you know what, I'm not ready, I don't want to do this. And her boyfriend, instead of understanding that and, you know, immediately stopping it, he told her that, you know what, no, you're just overthinking, you're just overreacting, just shut up and let me do the work. And he continued it. Now, because she did not scream, or, you know, she did not get hurt, she believed that it was not an assault. But to be honest, it was an assault, because he did not respect her no. He did not understand consent, and he still continued doing it despite her telling that she's not comfortable, she's finding it painful, you know, just stop it, don't do it. After this, she struggled for years with intimacy. Finally, when she found a loving boyfriend and when they got intimate, she panicked, you know, वो full on paranoid हो गई, and she pushed him away and she started crying. Now, her boyfriend, he did not understand what happened, so he thought that he did something wrong, and he was like, did I do something wrong? Did you not, you know, do you not want to do it? Should we stop it or something like that? And she's like, no, I want to do it with you, I love you and I trust you, but for some reason I'm unable to do it. And that's when they spoke about it for the first time. And उससे मुझे समझा कि, you know, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि, you know, तुमको लगता है कि you forgot it, but your body, you know, never forgets. You know, your body never forgets because you never processed it properly at that point. You know, तो जब तो तुम process ही नहीं करते हो, how are you going to heal from that? After that, they took therapy together and they reclaimed their intimacy years later. It took years, yes, exactly. And you need patience, you need love, you need that understanding, you know. And इससे मुझे समझता है कि यार कभी कभी ना कुछ ट्रॉमा ऐसे होते हैं जो तुमको लगता है कि you know, ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं है मेरे साथ, because तुम प्रोसेस ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो यहाँ पे. But actually the fact is that your mind and your body never forgets. I keep saying this again and again because that's the truth. अब ये जो story है, this is a clear example of when women, they don't get what they're desiring, you know, or what they want, this is what they feel. अब ये story में Alana, she's in a happy relationship with her boyfriend, but whenever she gets intimate with her boyfriend, she feels like, okay, her boyfriend finished, but she did not finish, and she always feels like her body is not understood well by her boyfriend. For her boyfriend, sex is just about him coming and finishing. It's not about her desire, what she wants, what she enjoys doing. And this happens for years, and she's like, you know what, I did not have a single orgasm in the last 3 years of my relationship. You know, yes, surely my boyfriend enjoys it, he enjoys it and he finishes it, but not once did I feel like I'm enjoying it, you know. She always felt like she's just this mannequin who's just lying below him while he's doing all the work and he's enjoying and he's making all the possible noises, having that orgasm and everything, but she's not feeling anything. She tries talking to her boyfriend about it, that, you know, my needs are not fulfilled, my needs are not met, let's try this, let's try that. But instead of understanding that, you know what, it's sex is such a pure thing, it's about making each other happy. You know, you can't be selfish, you only think about your own happiness. He blames her for it. He's like, you know what, if you have so much expectations, what does this mean? Who have you been with? What kind of videos are you watching? Do you think you're, you know, that kind of a woman? You're understanding, right? He started judging her. And that's when she was like, you know what, I cannot be with this man, not because obviously my needs are not being met, but he is not even ready to understand what I'm feeling right now. He's only worried about his pleasure. He's only worried about, you know, like just doing the deed and, you know, finishing it and everything. He's not even worried ki, is my girlfriend happy? Are her needs met? You know, what is happening? And this is what happens sometimes. And that's why some women, they feel like, you know what, let's not do it. Why to do it? It's not, you know, I'm going to be enjoying it anyway. This is the last story, and this highlights fear of emotional loss. Sneha always had this thing in her mind that she doesn't want to have sex, although she would love to, because usko aisa lagta hai ki the minute she will have sex with someone, the guy will leave her, the guy will abandon her, and, you know, वो चक्कर में वो कभी given करती नहीं थी. And then one day she met a guy, she fell in love with him, she was madly in love with him, she was emotionally attached to him, and she was like, you know what, this guy is never gonna leave me, so, you know, let's do the deed. And they did it, and eventually after 2 months the guy left. And it destroyed her completely, you know, because she felt like she was used, her body was used, and she was like, I'm so emotionally attached to him, I love him so much, why did he do that to me, you know? But the truth is, people leave. Irrespective of sex, people leave. If you get intimate with that person, he can still leave or she can still leave. If you don't get intimate with them, they can still leave. तो वो तुम्हारे control में है ही नहीं. No matter what you do, they can leave whenever they want to. So eventually, you know, uska circle better ho gaya, her friend circle. They made her realize that she should stop treating sex as a gamble with a heart, you know. And they taught her healthy attachment patterns, and eventually she healed. And abhi bhi uske man mein thoda fear hai, but now she's like, you know what, I will do it with someone who I truly love, and only after understanding that person, you know, after spending months with that person, if I feel like he's the one, yes, I'm gonna do it with him. But she's also very prepared that people can leave, because that's a fact. People can leave intentionally, unintentionally, they do. You know, ये सारी stories जो मैंने narrate की, इस सब में एक चीज common है कि women, they don't fear penetration, they fear other things जो मैंने start of the video में बोला था, you know, loss of control, fear of abandonment, you know, fear of being judged, trauma, shame and so many other things. And मेरे को लगता है कि जब ये सारी चीजें disappear होती है ना, that's when fear disappears, and that's when a woman feels safe. And a safe woman, she's not scared, she's bold and confident. So if you're a woman watching this video, don't worry, your fear is not your weakness. Your fear is actually a sign of intelligence, because your body is protecting you against things the world hasn't. And if you're a man watching this video, listen carefully. A woman won't open her body when she trusts you. A woman will open her body when she's trusting herself with you. If you want great sex, don't just focus on turning her on, focus on making her feel safe. And with that, we come to end of this video. Please let me know which fear did you relate to, and if you're comfortable enough sharing your story, let me know in the comments. This channel will always be a judgment free zone. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Stay safe, stay wild and stay smart. Bye bye.